In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Facebook video history. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. On your Facebook account, go ahead and head over to the videos section. And here, go ahead and click on this user icon, which you'll find at the left of the search icon. And this will take you to the use section. And here, go ahead and click on history to be able to access all of the videos that you've watched on your Facebook, or what is also known as a Facebook video history. Now, in here, you'll be able to find all the videos that you've watched on your account. May it be a video that you've seen on the Facebook stories or the videos that you've found under Facebook videos. And that's how you can simply check Facebook video history. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.